Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain Tailwind CSS installation in VS Code. First, create a new project folder and open it in VS Code. Then, open your integrated terminal and initialize a new node. JS project by running npm init. Next, install the necessary packages, Tailwind CSS, Post CSS, and Auto Prefixer. You can do this with npm install d Tailwind Post's Auto Prefixer. Finally, generate your Tailwind configuration file using npx tailwind init. This sets up the foundational files for your project, preparing it for styling with Tailwind. Now let's configure Tailwind CSS. Open your Tailwind config.js file. Inside the content array, specify the paths to all your HTML, JavaScript, or other template files where you'll be using Tailwind classes. For example, you might add /src/**/**, HTML.js. Next, create an input CSS file in your project's root or src directory. In this file, add the three essential Tailwind directives: @Tailwind base, @Tailwind components, and @Tailwind utilities. This tells Tailwind where to inject its styles. To compile your Tailwind styles, open your package JSON file. Under the script section, add a new script, for instance, build CSS with the command tailwind /input csso/dist/output CSS watch. This command tells Tailwind to read from your input CSS and output the compiled styles to dist/output CSS with the watch flag for continuous compilation during development. Run this script using npm run build CSS. Finally, link this output CSS file in the head section of your HTML document, like link href =/dist/output CSS rel =stylesheet. To enhance your development experience in VS Code, install the official Tailwind CSS IntelliSense extension. This powerful tool provides intelligent auto-completion for Tailwind classes, linting to catch errors, and hover over documentation, significantly speeding up your workflow. It's a must-have for any serious Tailwind developer. Additionally, consider integrating a prettier plugin for Tailwind CSS. This ensures your utility classes are consistently sorted and formatted according to best practices, maintaining a clean and readable codebase across your entire project. These tools will make working with Tailwind CSS much more efficient.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.